Forgot Telegram password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix if you forgot your Telegram password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the Telegram app normally does not ask you for a password to log in. The only thing they ask is you enter your phone number. You're going to get a verification code on your phone number or other devices where your Telegram account is still logged in, so which in this case you have to just make sure to enter the verification code. But it might ask you for a password if you just happen to go ahead and then basically have turned on two-factor authentication previously. So if you turned on 2FA previously, you will not be able to get the verification code, and then you have to enter the password. And if you don't remember the password, you will have to tap the forgot password option, which you will find on that page. And when you tap the forgot password option on that particular page, what happens is that you will receive a verification code depending upon the email that you have set it up during your 2FA. Make sure you have access to the email. You'll receive a code from Telegram, which you can then use to reset your password if you'd like. So this way you can reset the Telegram password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.